BEL, that is Bharat Electronics Limited. A very nice move today. And if I just quickly draw this trend line, we can see a standard cup and handle U-turn pattern. Now the price is going to reverse from the previous bearish momentum is going to be overcompensated. So here we also see very good volume movement. And a very important thing that I always look for volume is that previous few days volume should be more than crossed, at least 100 200% more than that. And if you see, there's very little volume throughout the months except for this particular day, let's say in January, but otherwise there was just no volume. Okay, this was the average volume, and today's volume is almost explosive. Along with the good move, you need the good volume as well. And as far as this pattern is concerned, you can see there's a nice big rounded movement down where it's almost gone down till almost 118 150, but I'm going to take 120 as the bottom for this, again being conservative. And here is our nice handle, short, sweet, quite by the book. So if we consider that till up to 145, and its breakout at 168 is almost, it jumps at you. You don't have to really analyze and think about this. There's a very clear breakout candle right over here. So for this, buying would be at 168 directly. Okay, so it's a decent, above 160 was the level beyond which 8 points is fine. Your target is going to be from 160. If I calculate till 120 is almost 40 points, almost 200 would be our target. And I'm keeping a very, very open ended stop loss of 135, again giving the stock a lot of moving space. Okay, because there might be a possibility where the stock goes to 140, and you know how the big money plays mind games with retail traders. I like to keep very good distance between my stock, and even if I, let's say, keep 135, my profit point is going to be slightly higher than the target. Okay, so this is 30, almost 25 points of stop loss and 40 points of target profit booking on the upside. And conservative people can keep a higher stop loss at 140 as well. Okay, even 139 seems like a good idea. In fact, I will keep it at 139 for this particular stock because the movement looks good. Okay, and of course, time limit, we have time limit. Luckily for this kind of patterns, it will be 1/3. So this movement or the stock started making this move at around first week of March. So March, April, May, June. Then there's 1 2 3 4 months. Okay, 4 months divided by 3 is almost 1 month target. So I'll keep 1 to 3 months as our time range for that, this particular move. Okay, so of course I'm going to immediately take a position as well. It's 6:52 p.m. I opened my screen a little late, but right now what we can do is we can place an aftermarket order. So I'm going into my trading terminal. I'm going to BEL, and I'm going to just take some position right now. For at 168, I'll place my buying of 10 quantity. I might add a little more if this goes slightly below, and I'm going to keep this profit book order book open till, let's say, for a few days, because I'm sure tomorrow morning stock comes around this price. I want the system to buy it for me, and I'm going to place my order, confirm it. Yeah, so we have placed a nice aftermarket order. This almost becomes automatic. You don't need to be in the live market. Hopefully tomorrow also during the daytime I will try and add some position, and I'll keep you guys posted on what happens to this position.